Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you are all fine. Today our subject is science and the topic of our subject is life function. There are some things which all living things do. The jobs or tasks are called functions. These functions are performed by all living things. Some of these are, one of them is movement. All living things move from one place to another to find out food, shelter or avoid from danger. Animals can move from one place to another, while plants cannot move from one place to another. Only certain parts of plants are moved. And this movement is called locomotion. And the next is growth. All living things grow. And this growth is stopped when they reach to a adulthood stage. A human takes 20 years to reach its adult position. A tiger takes few years to reach its full size. And the next is food. All living things need food to survive. Food is necessary object. Food is obtained from different sources. Plants obtain their food. Plants make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. They use the light coming out from the sun and make their own food, and this process is called photosynthesis. Not all plants make their own food. They obtain their food from the other plants. And the next step is respiration. All living things respire, and in this process oxygen is inhaled and carbon dioxide is exhaled in the air, and this carbon dioxide is used by the plants to make their own food. Respiration process. Human take respiration process through their nostrils. Respiration process varies from species to species. As compared to fish use their gills to respire. Water contains a mixture of gases in which oxygen is exhaled. Oxygen is obtained by using their gills. Waste. All living things take out their waste from the body. That is not necessary to survive. That is not necessary to remain inside the body. And this waste is expelled out from the body, and this is also called excretion. Sensitivity. All living things have sense organ. The sensitivity of all living things varies from species to species. Some animals have sense organs like humans, nose, eyes and skins to feel. Insects have feeler. They feel what things are present around them. A fly tastes anything by using its feet. And the next step is reproduction. All living things reproduce. Some animals produce like them. Some produce only one baby that resemble to their own parents. As compared to mice produce 32 babies at a time, and some produce only one. Some hatches eggs in which babies are catch out. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.